asilandanga ukuzokhangelana phansi either to despise omunye umuntu kumbe ungakusolana manje silanda ukuthi sizokuza ukuthi uGomera engangena uba ngu-MP uzasenzelana ngitsho kumbe uJames engaba ngu-MP uzasenzela lokhu nalokho kanjalo asilandanga ukuzokhothozana hayi ngitsho sithi sikwenze ngokuthula la ngokuhloniphana nje badala ngiyabona ukuthi silama youth phakathi ngithemba kuyezwakala khonoko njalo sizacela ukuthi nxa isikhathi sombuzo sesifikile umbuzo wonke ozabuzwa sibuze ngokuhlonipha bazasiphendula futhi abadala ngitsho ngithemba lokho kuyezwakala
Baba Mesiya ulungile udala ezulu lomhlaba uthemba lokuphila themba namathamsanqa sikhuleka kuwe Jehova Nkosi engadlulwa yilutho sicela ukuvula ngomusa size siyevala ngomusa lokho esikwenza lapha kwamukele nguwe igama lenkosi uJesu Kristu waseNazaretha kuze kube phakade amen.
Asimthayeleni izandla. Thank you very much siyabonga isibongo mani baba siyabonga Jehova nje uNdlovu sekhulekile ngitsho sesicela uNkulunkulu sesicela ukuthi sihloniphane nathi badala sicela sikwenze kahle kahle ngokuthula uNdlovu secele uNkulunkulu ukuthi abe phakathi kwethu kanjalo so iprogram lesifuna ibe ikhokhelwe uNkulunkulu sihloniphane sikwenze kahle kahle sithanda ukuthi sibonge abe site abasilethele lolu hlelo labe abakapi abasilethele lolu hlelo labe BPRA ibulawayo Progressive Residents Association sicela sibachayile izandla. Right, in this time senzacela nje umama Tshuma abuyazositshela ukuthi siqalisela laphi. Thank you.
Mina nginguNonhlanhla Mabhikwa. Yimenza director we-session yethu yanamhlanje. Ngithanda ukuduzelela lapha nokukhulunywa ngubaba njengophathi lapha esigabeni ngitsho ukuthi asihloniphaneni. Mina njengo-MC ngizalinika ithuba lokukhuluma ngithi kungabi lo munye ozazwakala esekhuluma ngapha la ngapha ongaphiwanga ithuba ngithi njalo ke silalele angithi sibeni le discussion eza kwakha ekhona ezadiliza angithi ngoba singaqalisa ukulwa abakade bekhona ngithemba libonile bona bathe befika lapha bafike babingelelana bathabelana ngazi mbeni ngento engubonileyo so ambona ukuthi thina uzasinceda ngani ukuthi silwe bona ba right ba happy bayathaba ukuthi babonke khona phana ngithi latha sibe njalo ukuthi sakhe Entumbane-Njube constituency ngendlela eqondileyo angithi ngakho ke siqalisa nje walibona silama candidates angu3 mina lapha kuma candidates abhaliweyo ukuthi yiwo azabe khona ku ballot paper lama candidates angu5 i-candidate endayo nguDube Prince we-CCC kubuye uTshuma Dingilizwe we-CCC kube lo Chinamano we-ZANU-PF kube lo Mugurasabe Beauty we-UZA lo Ndlovu Nqobizitha we-ZANC angithi kodwa ke kuwona lama candidates namhla silama candidates amathathu angithi so sesifika esigabeni sokuthi sibaphe ithuba bazi introduce ngizabanika 2 minutes ngizacela Mrs Tshuma sibe le time nthakwazi ama politicians singabanika isikhathi bayakhuluma isikhathi eside so namhla sizacothi sifake itime okwenzela ukuthi 2 minutes umuntu aziphe ithuba lokuthi azi introduce ukuthi ungubani YP party so far wena sekwenzile ku constituency yethu angithi futhi siqalisele khona sesikwazi history yakhe angithi so nge2 minutes ngizaqala ngoDube Prince we-CCC.
Siyabonga kakhulu program director siyabonga kakhulu 3 local organizations zethu zalapha koBulawayo Upper Trust site le Bulawayo Progressive Resident Association siyabonga bahlali beNtumbane bahlali beNjube bahlali beNobhengula bahlali bakoBulawayo siyabonga ukuthi lizile lapha ku program eqhakatheke kangaka siyaphosha the national general election just a quick one ngubani lo omi phambi kwenu la
as an aspiring candidate for Member of Parliament Hlaka 23 August. Ibizo lami ngingu-Prince Dube. Angiyila elinye elidlula lapha. The first name ngu-Prince, second name ngu-Dube. Just a little bit of background. Ngubani uPrince Dube. I-democracy elizweni leZimbabwe ithi nxa sisemkhankasweni onjengawona lawo okukhetha abakhokheli bavela ebantwini. That's democracy. Kuphathi yethu ye-Citizens Coalition for Change senza i-internal democracy. Internal democracy eyaphuma le candidate elaba yimi uPrince Dube to the final process. Ngaphuma njani? The Citizens Coalition for Change is an organization that is very smart, an organization with lawyers, an organization echecka i-track record yokuthi kathi lo umuntu ozathatha isikhundla esiqeketheke kangaka ukuthi amele abantu as member of parliament ngubani. Citizens, bahlali bakobulawayo, bahlali beNtumbane, bahlali beNjube, bahlali beLobhengula, angidotshwanga eStreet. They checked my records ukuthi ngivele ngaphi, ku-community ngenzani, ngilani, njalo ngingubani. I am a family man, married with one wife. With 2 kids, and obviously the most important background is that I once served as a councillor in the city of Bulawayo, representing Entumbane community period 2013 to 2008 to 2013. That's basically my track record. The party looked at the record. The citizens, this time around, member of parliament, track record to the finality of member of parliament. So basically, that is me. Basically, this is how I came to be here. Thank you very much.
Prince Dube. As Mrs. Tshuma isikhathi besesiphelile.
Yeah,
all right, siqhubekeleni phambili. Ngiyabona there is a lady laphana, umama Chinamano Linda oyebandla leZANU-PF.
Salibonani. Linjani. Mina ibizo lami nguLinda Chinamano. Ngithanda ukuhlonipha abahlali beNtumbane-Njube Constituency. Ngithanda ukuhlonipha i-site, ngithanda ukuhlonipha i-program le-Upper Trust. Mina yimenza imele Entumbane-Njube Constituency, ngingu-member of parliament from ZANU-PF. Mina ngazelwe eNtumbane, ngafunda eNtumbane. Ngabona kathesi le dubo lamanzi. Sengidrile ibho eNtumbane. Ngabuya lapha futhi eNjube, ngazodila futhi ibho ukwenzela ukuthi singadubeki ngamanzi. Njalo futhi ngabona to my young fellow youths ukuthi bale problem unemployment. I've trained more than 1,800 youth kuma skills ukwenzela ukuthi besuke kuma-drug substance abuse. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga umama sezethulile. Sidlulele phambili ngibona laphana kulobaba Tshuma Dingilizwe webandla le-CCC.
Ngiyabonga ithuba endinikezwayo. Okhuluma nguDingilizwe Tshuma, Member of Parliament for Entumbane eMakhandeni, officer ukuba ngu-Member of Parliament for Entumbane-Njube okwakathesi. uDingilizwe ngubani? uDingilizwe ufunde eNyamande Primary School eLobhengula, grade 1 to 7. Wafunda eMtshede, uform 1 kwi-annex yeMpophoma High School. ngaqedisela eMpophoma. I'm a teacher by profession, a former headmaster, and a public health facilitator. That's me in a brief. I'm an orator. Another one. So, ngingu-MP weNtumbane-Makhandeni ngenzeni. Ngingu-MP weNtumbane-Makhandeni kunengi engikwenzileyo. Ngiphethe ugwalo lami lapha olubhalwe ukuthi Dingilizwe, Member of Parliament for Entumbane-Makhandeni 2013 to date. Ungakhangela kulolu gwalo kunengi okwenziweyo, sincedisile izikolo. Akula sikolo esingatholanga usizo phakathi kwe-Constituency Entumbane-Makhandeni. Siyakhile siyazi sonke ukuthi kuthiwe ku-introduce the new curriculum. There were no facilities. Kungela ma-classroom blocks, kungela lutho. I helped set up a number of classroom blocks in my constituency. For example, eMakhandeni Primary School, abazali they were resistant ukuthi kambe singayakha i-classroom block izaba ingabani. I went there, was invited as a motivational speaker, ukuthi ngikhulumele abazali bazwisisa isiyakhiwe namhlanje ungahamba. Saya ngithe kunjalo ngezwe senginxuswa Chinamano ukuthi no, come and speak to the parents. Ngakhuluma labo njalo ama-parents Chinamano. You go there today, the classroom block is there. In a nutshell, these are some of the things. To take youth out of the streets. And then Entumbane, go to Entumbane High School. There's a perimeter fence in progress, which is under construction. She donated 10,000 bricks to that effect. FLS Komiska MP, they 45 bags of cement. Entumbane of primary school, we donated 15,000 bricks. The classroom block here, ECD, is under construction. Izingadi, we have turned around our gardens to user-friendly gardens. Sebenza lula. Siyakwazi bezikotshozo. Now some of our gardens setshenziswa ama-solar systems. Abazali so lula, they are not only getting nutritional value, but also they're getting money, they're generating money out of the whole exercise. Apart from that, Njube lapha impembota around. There are a lot of things esifuna ukuzenza ukudevelop isigaba sethu to make it workable. Ngibone kulama grounds, want them to make them ama-sport abekhona. Ngiyabonga in a brief.
Njoba selizwile bantu be-Entumbane-Njube constituency, yiyo ama-candidate ethu lapha. Ngicela nxa kule candidate esanda kufika esingakayethule ebantwini, ngizacela ukuphakamisa isandla khona ngizakulanda lapho khona sikuphe lawe ithuba. Hayi sofa kula sandla ngithi. Right bantu be-Entumbane-Njube, njoba sesebezethulile. Anti sonke siyazi ukuthi namhla sifuna uzokuzwa ukuthi basiphathelene bafuna ukusenzelana as o-MP. Sikhumbule njalo ukuthi u-MP yena ngokwakhe umsebenzi wakhe ngowana ngithi. Okokuqala u-MP uzasimela thina njengabantu be-Entumbane-Njube. Angithi athathe izikhalazo zethu nezifiso zethu azise phambili eParliament. Angitsho njalo ungu-legislator ukuthi nguye ozancedisana lamanye ama-MPs ekwakheni imithetho yelizwe lethu leZimbabwe. Imithetho ezabuya isi-affecte thina futhi njengabantu be-Entumbane-Njube. Angithi phezu kwalokho u-MP ule-oversight role ekubumbeni laphana nisebebumbile imithetho. Kumele bakhangele futhi ukuthi imithetho leyo i-implementwa kuhle yini. Angithi okunye kumele bakukhangele ilizwe lilemali. Angithi kulama-budget, kulama-expenses abakhona i-expenditure lapho kumele baku-track bakubone ukuthi kuhamba ngendlela yini. Angithi okunye njalo njengoba lizwile u-MP uyaba le Constituency Development Fund. Angithi le development la yayenzayo lapha ku-community. So mfisa ukuthi lilaleleke ukuthi bona bakhangelele ukuthi bengaba omunye wabo kumbe omunye ngamunye wabo ukhangelele ukuthi nxa kungaba nguye u-MP ama-roles lawo engilitshele wona lapha uzawenza njani ukubhenefitha i-Entumbane-Njube. Angitsho Sibuyele njalo lapho esiqalise khona, kade sesikhuluma ngemanifesto angithi njengoba ngijile ukuthi sizabe silimit isikhathi. Angilakwazi ukuthi ama-politicians bakhuluma isikhathi eside. Angithi labo Themba bazafinqa ukwenzela ukuthi lathi sithole ithuba ukuthi sibuze imibuzo, sizwisise lapho esinjani esiyabe singazwisisanga khona. Angithi so sizabuyela kubaba uPrince Dube azositshela ke yena imanifesto yakhe ngeNtumbane-Njube.
Right, siyabonga Madam Machuma, siyabonga kakhulu bahlali. Angifuni ukulimoshela isikhathi. I'll be brief njengoba sechasisile ukuthi kungenxa yani sila. But one thing that I want to tell you fellow citizens zakoBulawayo njalo engasoze ngiyenze ngimi lapha namhlanje phambi kwenu is to stand in front of you and lie ukuqamba amanga ukulithembisa izulu lomhlaba ukulithembisa izinto engasoze ngizenze. The time to account will come at the end or even before the end of my term. But thank you very much, Abakuk Trust. Thank you very much, Site. Thank you very much, Bupra. Abantu beZimbabwe, abantu bakoBulawayo mhla ka-23 sikhangelelane ne-National General Election. In-National General Election yokukhetha abakhokheli from the President, Member of Parliament to the Councillor. Isikhathi esiqhakathekileyo to fellow citizens. You are here today ukuzolalela ukuthi kambe umuntu esizamkhetha ukubana abe ngumember of parliament ngofake amaposter amanengi yini. Umember of parliament esizamkhetha ngumember of parliament onjani. This is a very important program. Why as citizens we are all here. Ngithanda ukulitshela njalo ukuli-encourage ama-citizens ukuthi as you are going to vote mhla ka-23 August singakhangeli ama-posters agcwaliswe indawo yonke. They mean nothing. The most important thing is ubuntu bomuntu, ama-principles, service delivery, and the manifesto that we are going to present here. Some of these posters are just posters wasting the taxpayers' money for nothing. Instead, imali yonaleyo could be plowed back into most important thing. But anyway, ngenxa yokuthi abantu babekhankasa becampaigna hayi isikhathi sabo kuqhakathekile ku-right. But my citizens lizakhetha ngicela likhangele ama-principles as we are going to present ourselves today. Ngikhangelele njalo futhi ukuthi lisikhangele and track us ukuthi sivela ngaphi senzeni liqiniso yini kumbe ngamanga. My feeling from my history, from my political background, when you do 2 terms in parliament, you are a legend. You have done your part. You don't seek a 3rd term. Anyway, you might have your reasons, but let me not divert you. But ngikhangelele ukuthi lokonke konokena sikucheke sibonisane ukuthi kambe ongakwenzanga nge-10 years lezo separliament ofuna ukwenza nge-term yesithathu kuyini okumangalisa ofuna ukukwenza. But anyway, mina Prince Dube, I've already indicated to you my track record as a councillor from 2008 to 2013. Having been seconded and nominated by you citizens, now saying go to Member of Parliament. Ngikhangelile ngenza esikuthi constituency profiling, needs assessment. Vele thina njengo Entumbane-Njube njenge-community yeLobhengula njengoBulawayo sifuna, because my job as a member of parliament is not going to be limited to Entumbane-Njube and Lobhengula alone. It's going to be about Bulawayo. Abantu during my campaign Njube during my campaign Entumbane elobhengula bathe Dube ungaqamba amanga khuluma iqiniso ungapromise things that are beyond your financial resource. We know your background, we know your finances, but you are going there to represent us. But njoba nchilo needs assessment, constituency profiling. Abantu bathe Dube lami ngubonile kuliqiniso sifuna ukuthi lapho esihlala khona sivusele khona okwakukhona osokungasekho kathesi besile mgwaqo besile ama recreational facilities lapho abantu abathethe bedlala khona befunda besenza lokho nalokho. All those things have vanished. You cannot focus on a new thing, on a development that you want to promise us ukuthi ngizadevelopa lokho nalokho kanti khonoko besikwenza babesinakho kusinceda imigwaqo engasahambeki ife njani. Ungaqalisela khonapho Dube for the next 5 years. Hayi sizakubonga ngalalela nami ngakubona. As citizens njengabahlali we have suffered. Sesidubekile. There are no services at all. Our roads are selamgwaqo esingakhuluma ngayo la. So our citizens are to focus on resuscitating khonoko osokufile. Ubone ukuthi imigwaqo le izavuka njani. Izindlu zethu zona ezespace lazo kathesi sesisehluleka lokuthi sezidabukile siyethenga ipenda sizipende akusayenzi. So I am going to focus on service delivery. I am going to exercise my oversight. Njani nxa ngikhuluma nge-service delivery? Nxa ngikhuluma nge-service delivery ngikhuluma ukuthi ngizaba lama-councillors.
Isikhathi baba Dube. Siyabonga nchilo ngathi ama-politicians bazabe sebelandisa ngitsho. Anyway, usethini ubaba uDube laphana indaba ze-service delivery, imigwaqo lama-recreational centers ukuthi yikho ukukhangeleleyo. Ngiyazi ukuthi kukhona okunye njengoba isikhathi sesiliphelela ngithi sizadlulela phambili sizwe kumama Chinamano we-ZANU-PF ukuthi asitshele ukuthi yena phezu kwalokhu asitshele khona kwama-bones yikuphi okunye akukhangeleleyo nge-Entumbane-Njube constituency.
Salibonani, ngiyaphinda njalo ngibingelele Entumbane-Njube constituency. Mina ngithe igama nguLinda Chinamano, ngiswa khonapha Entumbane-Njube constituency. Ngile manifesto yami kathesi angila hard copy but ngile soft copy abaningi sizalishela. Mina nginguntanga. I'm just 26 years old. I'm about 27. But ngilezi zinto ezincane. Right, mina ngikhulele khonapha. Ngilezi zinto engizibonileyo eziningi esihlangana ngazo njengabontanga abakhonapha ku constituency. Ngizwa ubuhlungu kakhulu ngoba yithi esitshone emabridging, yithi esigijimisa ama-posters. Yithi esigijimisa yonke into, yithi esilwayo futhi kodwa yithi esingela misebenzi. But khonapha koBulawayo thina njenge-ZANU-PF we have got about 24 years singekho kupower. So ngalokho ngifuna ukuthi ukutshona sibhemba nje kumbe singela employment kumbe silala ngemva kwamasofa ayisithi njenge-ZANU-PF. So this time around sithe lami ngithe ngibuye ngizolimela i-special ontanga okwenza ukuthi next time after 5 years or after 10 years usuvotile wena ungazubuhlungu ngoba umuntu oyamvotele uyakuzwa kunzima ukuthi ukhulume naye. But at least nxa mina ngikhona lami ngiyabe one of your own ngoba ngiyabe ngikwazi izikhalazo esilazo thina abadala ngoba yithi esilabantwana abahlala ezindlini, yithi esilabantwana abatshona bedakwa. So yikho engakutshoyo. Then ngizabe ngikhangelane futhi ngendaba ze-education. Abantwana kathesi abasahambi esikole bakomrades ngoba i-school fees ziyadula lapho koBulawayo. Kathesi ungahamba emakhaya ngale i-school fees ama-prices angkhona, ama-fees angkhona ayabhadaleka kulalapha. So ngizabe ngikhangela khona lokho. Right, kuyezwa ukuthi ZANU-PF ngithe mina ayikho kupower for the past 24 years. So khona lokho esikhala ngapho vele isikhiphi ZANU-PF lapha koBulawayo. So at least singaba lo MP kumbe ukhansela we-ZANU-PF isikhalazo zethu zizabe zifika direct to president ngoba ngupresident obusayo owe-ZANU-PF. Izinto eziningi but sithi sina asibeni le chain ekhwanileyo njalo sithi asivoteleni umuntu ozokwanisa lawo kusasa ukhulumelayo yiko kusimbu. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga msechilo laphana umele abatsha ngithi njalo lizwile laphana ukhulume ngendaba zama-school fees angabhadalekiyo, i-unemployment, drug and alcohol abuse. Angithi kunengi themba imbuzo liyayigcina badala. Ngithi sivela kubaba uPrince Dube laphana sizalinika ithuba sidlulele phambili ubaba uDingilizwe Tshuma shilo njalo ukuthi yena ungu-sitting MP weNtumbane-Njube. So andiyakwazi indaba ze-delimitation nacho. So ufuna ukuthi angene ngithi ngapha eNtumbane-Njube sizokuthi laye usiphatheleni ukhangeleleni ku-next term nxa singakhetha yini. Baba Dingilizwe Tshuma.
Ngiyabonga ithuba endinikezwayo. Mina kangisoze ngibe ligwala njengoPrince Dube siyabonga. Engikutsho lapha singakhangela iflyer engiphethe lapha. It speaks to the electorate. Ungayikhangela kulo mfanekiso wami la. Uyakhuluma le-electorate uzithulele khona phandle. Siphendulele ngapha kwakhona. The flyer also speaks to the electorate because we have got a 10-point plan. Asoze ngibalekele i-development ngoba kule community development fund enikezwa nguhulumende ukuthuthukisa izigaba. Let's not shy away from it. Having said that, there are 3 areas of importance as Kangela who manifesto here party yami CCC. One of them is jobs, education, and health. Ngikhangele ama-jobs, singakhangela eNtumbane. Kule ndawo sizayenza ama-income generating projects to capacitate the youth, to empower the youth, and women and men. All categories sizabakhangela. Ngoba sengisevile ama-terms amabili ngancedisa ama-health facilities, ngancedisa izikolo. Now the time has come for me to empower our communities across the board. Ngakho-ke sizaba empower njani ama-communities ethu. Egibiqhegu laphana, kule section, kule ndawo eyi-beer hall, kule ndawo yama-projects. Kule ndawo yama-projects laphana, we want to utilize that. How are you going to utilize that? We'll do small projects for the youth, chicken rearing, ukugcina inkukhu, weaving mama, metal work, construction for the youth, etc. Singakwenza lokhuyana kuzenza ama-youth athole izimali. Don't forget one thing, there is a line ministry here, small and medium enterprises. Having done that, we'll engage the Minister of Small and Medium Enterprises to come and view and assess our programs. Seeing our assess our programs that we'll be able to attract funding without any collateral. Kungafakanga lutho kuma-banks, akhona ama-banks anjalo, through the ministry, they will assist us. Singakhosha futhi ngama-small income projects, generating projects. Sile nkwalini laphana eNtumbane, elamanzi amaningi kakhulu. Sizazama ukuthi silime enkwalini. Sicele singeje is under lease as I speak. Sizangeja umuntu we-lease. Sicela amanzi laphana, silime, si-create a garden. Siyakwazi ukuthi it can be a green belt. Entumbane kule ndawo kaSila phana, which was meant to be a marketplace njengaku njengabo elokuzenda phana complex. That place was allocated money in 2008 to 2013, and my fellow friend, Prince Dube, was the sitting councillor. He was given that money as CTF to develop that area. When he was given that money to develop that area, Itura Wodayaka Yasugala Pagini Isia Figa Emazwane Nani Kuchuguti Imali Yanyamadana. Apart from that, one niggas were less than Kamizan's child in mind, yet development. Layo Yanyamadana. As a result, we're good. The development. What more as a Wenza, the Amenza Abu MP, who's attending some recreational centers that were converted to his own schools? We take Entumbane-Njube. I'm a youth and Taylor Ati. Tshuma. I'm a centers now, I'm a training centers. Engakuda Ngidalela Ibola, Entumbane-Njube has been converted to a church. Is he converted to a church? I want to retake these things. How do we retake them? I will engage the councillors.
Right. Siyabonga sesizwile ubaba uDingilizwe Tshuma ukhulumile manifesto yakhe uthe khathesi is time to empower the community. From Mama Project asewenzile so far, ukhulumile about jobs, about health, about income generating projects, ezokulima, owezandla, and all that. Kunenga ngisho uchilo wathi kunengi futhi okunjani okuzayo. Khathesi isikhathi sama questions angithi. Yes. Laphana ngize ngazokhuza abantu sebe praise for a long time bengasanga angithi. Likhumbule nje bathe befika lapha abanye lisibonela nje bathabelele bona bodwa nje so thina akusize kusincede ngalutho ukulwa because bona babala nje so asibeni le order and i-opinion yakho ayisozizwakale ngcono because you are angry ukukhuluma inhlamba ukuthethisa abantu. Let us be respectful ngama leaders ethu lawo angithi right. Siqale ngombuzo oqala ngizathatha the first 3 questions ngibisele kibo baphendule siphinde sibuyele kwamanye ama 3 questions angithi saqala ngobaba uNdlovu laphana siya kusisi laphana and then lo bude emuva laphana abanye siyabuyela ku second round angithi.
Umbuzo wami oqala ngokuthi la eZimbabwe uphumusi olamadoda ayi2 umfazi A1 right. Owesibili kathi ubulawayo city council BCC why abanye abantu abangama politician beyama kakhulu khona ngani bese besilethela izinhlabathi ndani besikhava khave nge-city council liyana yakobulawayo akumela kube yethu yini athi lokhana ngokwethu kwezakhamizi labo njengoba beyi3 obe yi4 obe bangani abangene ngokwabo lokhana ngokwethu xa kune problem ye-city council abadala bezigaba bazaba bekhuluma but sibona abanye bahlabisa abantwana babo bodwa amaphepha emgwaqweni thina kasiwahlali kuthiwa singabalelani lo yikho lapho kuphela.
Siyabonga ubaba uNdlovu.
Ngiyabonga Madam Moderator, ithuba eselithela ngiphalona. Ngilembuzo to all my aspiring MPs. Okwaqala ngakabuza ngifuna ukuthi ngithi good luck to the 3 of you because you definitely need it. Umbuzo wami oqala uya ngumama uLinda Chinamano, umnawami. Bengicela ukubuza mama, you spoke about ukuthi uza create ama jobs lokwenza nje a lot of things in the community. Only issue yemsebenzi and ama drugs especially ebantwini abatsha, the young people. Ngisuka bese ngilokusuka lokukhathazeka ukuthi ibandla leZANU-PF is the ruling party. Lehlule kanjani to provide imisebenzi yethu ya the ruling party. Bese sibona wena as a candidate coming here promising us ukuthi uzasenzela imisebenzi. Okwehlula ukuthi imisebenzi ibe khona khathesi kuyini sisi ya the ruling party. Hallelujah. Okwesibili uthe wena ugebe ugodi. It is our constitutional right ukuthi sibe lamanzi. Amanzi aprovidwa nguhulumende. Why is it amanzi aprovidwa nguhulumende? I-council oversees only, but amadamu and so forth wenziwa nguhulumende. And uhulumende esilawo is the ruling party, ZANU-PF. Wehlulwa yini ukuthi uhulumende amake sure ukuthi we've got enough dams that can supply us with water. When Mama Chinamano, where you are coming from, Namhla is the 8th day, if I'm not mistaken, ahula manzi. Kodwa silo uhulumende osithembisa ukuthi uzasinikeza amanzi. Yena kunguhulumende osikholayo kathesi. Ngiyabonga. One lapana is my brother, Dingilizwe Tshuma. By the way, my name is Ketty. Honorable Tshuma, ukhulume ngemsebenzi osuyenzi. Nginombuzo nje just one question ukuthi okukufuqayo ukuthi ubuyele for the third term kuyini? That's my question eyokuqala. Ufuqwe yini for you to go for a third term? Okwesibili, ukhulume ngama projects that you have been doing in the community. It's very unfortunate because I've been working with you. And on issues that you have been saying that development, I am not satisfied with what you have told the people that. Honorable Tshuma, it seems maybe Emakhandeni, I am not going to talk about Makhandeni because I don't stay in Makhandeni. Entumbane, you have spoken about Ijurawo Entumbane High School. Those that stay in Entumbane know that Ijurawo is still not complete. You only provided 10,000 bricks in 45 days. And yes, it helped, but for the past 10 years, Tshuma, you cannot call that an achievement. Number one, that's number one. Number two, Baba Tshuma, it's very sad. I am going to be straight on the point. In Gadia, we see I've engaged you several times on issues in Gadia City, everything is in order. In Gadia, we see Liana, you say it, Amageta said, where there is a Jojo tank, there is Ibo that has been running. Those that are able, go to Entumbane Garden and see for yourselves. Abadala batata amanzi emthonjeni. There is no working borehole in that area. Sesisuka lapho siye engathi Liyana esemangovethi lapha. Satshela kwathiwa everything is in order. Abadala sebevula impompi. Abadala bavula impompi laphana Tshuma bathwala imqomo. If I am lying, those that stay there can abahlala khona they will tell you the truth. August 3, ngicela ukubuza nge-issue ye-CDF, my honorable MP, that you have been. There is no hard feelings, it's just a debate. Accountability ye-CDF man Tshuma, how often have you reported back to the community members with your audited financial reports as a CDF man? Are the community members satisfied with your work CDF man? I, for one, I was once told that I am a committee member at CDF. And it's been, I think it's 7 years now, Tshuma. I've never seen or heard any message notifying me that there is a meeting. So I don't know who are you operating with. Maybe there's a different, there's an alternative committee that you work with on issues of ECDF. But as of development, Mina, as a person who stays in Entumbane, I feel, my honorable, you cannot stand here and tell us you have done enough now, you want to progress on ukwenza izingadi, ukwenza imisebenzi eNkwalini, which has already been under your watch. Inkwalini leyo okhuluma ngayo Tshuma, you have been in parliament for the past 10 years. It was right in your hand. Why didn't you do it then? I follow all the debates in parliament. I am allowed to ask many questions as I want. Please, Madam Moderator, protect me. That is my last question. My last question is, Honorable, I follow all the debates in parliament. I have never seen you raise a motion in parliament for the past 10 years. Thank you.
Respond to my candidates.
Hallelujah. Amen. So far, mina question yami ngupha Tshuma ukuthi so far kule 10 years kupower mangaka ama-youth wa-employed 1 2 sikubona ka-1 after sofuna ama-votes abantu 3 Entumbane ngithiniye ngikudiskwela amalokisha amaningi ayadlula abona ukuthi Entumbane siziphuma kuma-YouTube Instagram ama-portal. Okwesi-2 I'm sorry because i-party umuntu okupower especially u-MP nohambisayo phezulu ngalo, so I don't think ukuthi ukuthi twawulinda yemisebenzi u-MP recently MP ngiyofanele edingela amalethu umsebenzi. Semvuya ku-number 3 Mr. Dube, lami ngu-Dube. Bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi njengoba ngoti-past of ukuthathwa kwemali, if the candidates longakuvotela awungeke ukuthi batshontshe ivoti because we are afraid also.
Hallelujah.
Siyabonga. Sathukulisela kuma-candidates ethu ukuthi baphendule. Siqale ngobaba uPrince Dube.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ma-citizens. Ngile mbuzo emibili eqondana nami la. Ngithe ngiqalisa lapha ngithemba nilitshelile ukuthi mhla ka-23 is an important day for us as Zimbabweans. Singabuyi lapha ukuzoqamba amanga. Umbuzo obuzwe laphana uthi wona amadoda amabili emfazini oyiwa njani ka lethemba lokuthi lokho uqondana lokuthi engxenye lizwa kuthiwa 2 CCC candidates, you know, it's so sad, very sad, you know. Engubona la ukuthi umuntu omdala, someone who should be having a track record, becomes a clown in front of the community. As it yena, we Citizens Coalition for Change member, there is only one candidate here, CCC Citizens Coalition for Change, Prince Dube. For the record, my citizens, please do not be confused. Dingilizwe Tshuma is not a member, yes, Citizens Coalition for Change, neither an aspiring member. In my view, sorry to use this word, I feel Dingilizwe Tshuma is a clown. You can even see that debate is meant to be serious. Because abazali labantu abalapha bafuna ukuthi nxa besiya layina for 2 hours 3 hours whether kuyagodola kumbe kuyaqanda bakhetha umuntu onjani, but uzabona umuntu ebuya lapha ebhasa abantu ezoqamba amanga straight in his face. Yikho lapha eZimbabwe singaphumeleli, yikho kobulawa singaphumeleli, because we elect abantu who do not deserve like Dingilizwe Tshuma. Khangelani indlela ali-abuse ngayo mayouth, khangelani indlela aqamba ngayo amanga to stand in front of you to say he's a Citizens Coalition for Change member. Dingilizwe Tshuma, for the record, you asked a direct question. Umuntu wefazi, umuntu wezanu does not belong to CCC. Nali siyavota, umbuzo ubuzileyo, amadoda amabili emfazini oyedwa. There should be no confusion. The citizens ZANU-PF nominated me and the party endorsed me. Dingilizwe was not there. Dingilizwe was not endorsed. Ngani funa ukuprova libuye wayisithi president wakhe uzabekhona wayisithi president wakhe limbone kumbuza bekhona. Dingilizwe Tshuma does not belong to CCC. Lingahamba liye ukuthi liwestama vote and livotela umuntu Dingilizwe Tshuma lisithi member of CCC, you are wasting your votes. So don't be confused. CCC candidate is Prince Dube, not Dingilizwe Tshuma. Umbuzo wesibili. Kambe Dube singakufaka laphana awusoze usithathele imali yethu yini. Kumbe ngizwe kuhle. May I get that person correct? Please. Kambe umuntu othethe imali yabantu wadla imali yabantu. Ngaboshiswa yini? Kakube le record yokuthi wona kwamangalelwa wenza lokho nalokho wayekhoti. Where is that allegation coming from? Is that not an abuse of my person? Come on. Fellow citizens, youth, we mean well. I mean well. I hope you understand why we are here. I hope you understand why you took your time to be here. Let's be serious. Mhlaka 23 is about choosing between darkness and light. Singaba lengondo yokuraiser things that don't even exist. Angina mali ya citizens engayiphiwayo engayiabusayo. All that is coming from a town member of parliament who just want to mislead you, who has done nothing, who just want to believe that it is him and him alone. But tell you what, is Citizens Coalition for Change, track record. That's why they disowned this man here. He doesn't deserve to be here. That's why you see some of you making all this noise. But in Mhlaka 23, I can assure you, our citizens are wise as a wenza. You will see what will happen. Thank you.
Sidlulele phambili siyakulinda Chinamano amphenduleke imibuzo.
Oqala ngaphendula umbuzo kaMama laphana. Uthi make it clear uDingilizwe Tshuma is not our member as ZANU-PF. Vela simanzi. Now we remember we are with mass structures. So now we have to relax now. Then we umbuzo ukuthi i-employment engikhuluma ngayo thina njengegovernment singayenzi ukuthi ibe khona ezafuna ukuthi ibe khona kathesi ngeyani. Okathesi ngithe mina lapha ku constituency besingilayo ZANU-PF for the past 24 years. So this time around we are the game changers. This time around we Zamile Entumbane-Njube constituency for the past 24 years. Kungela MP kumbe ukhansela we-ZANU-PF. So this time around we are the game changers in ZANU-PF. Kumele sifake ama-youth centers whereby ama-youth abazabe trainer imisebenzi yezandla. Vele kathesi asisafuni ma-youth okudinga imisebenzi. Onuhambe emsebenzini ukhole $50 US. Ayithengi lutho my comrades. Kumele sisebenze ngezandla sibe ngomakanika, ama-carpenters. Abanye benza driving, abanye benza lokuyana abakwenzayo ukuthi sithole imali every day. There is nothing for us without us. There is nothing for the youth without youth. So long as votela abantu abadala njengamafelo la MPs la
ogogo bonke laba esibabonayo. Bayekhuluma mahhala izulu lezi. Lathi kumele sizithathe sithi mahhala. Right, kusizaba ukhulume ngendaba yamanzi ukuthi why kungela manzi. Ngithe mina ku-city council ekhona. CCC is empty city council over the past 24 years. Thina kathesi upresident wethu emazondamzomana ngakufaka ijemu lapha igwayisha kanjemu.
Ambazi kumbesela imqotshile njengoba sesisukile. Right, asidlulele phambili. Ikhumbule ukuthi ubaba uDingilizwe Tshuma akaphenduli badala. Sizeke ubaba uDingilizwe Tshuma imbuzi limnengi lapha ufuna ukuthi ngimnike ithuba ngoba Tshuma bakavoti laba bantu. So ngicela ukuthi uzokhuluma uphendule imibuzo yakho.
Okwaqala ngiyathanda ukuphendula umfowethu lapha uPrince Dube osengidishonor ukuthi asomember ye-CCC kodwa sangena sonke ku-nomination sasekhondwa sangena sonke ku-vetting sapasa sangena sonke kuma-primary ngabadla bonke Dube sengimuze kabili efuna ukuba ngumember of parliament kuyino ukumenza kuye futhi sefuna ukuthi ngiphinde futhi undoda lo okuthiwa nguPrince Dube is shying away azakwenza ngo-2023 to 2028. Why? Because his background is porous. As a councillor, akulalutho alwenzayo ngaphandle kokunika abangani bakamaJojo instead ukuthi awafake undoda lo okuthiwa nguPrince Dube umfowethu umanimani singakhangela into engiyikhulumileyo ngiyimember ye-CCC ngiyimember ye-CCC ngiyimember ye-CCC ngakhethwa ngabantu ehholu abantu bekhangele ngicela bisele imali kaShoko lo Tsepiso abanika yona kuze bamngenise ofisini azenze i-candidate namhlanje. Was far away from the echelons of power. He was number 3. How did he manage to maneuver to number 1? I-party ile-principle, i-CCC, ithi inkokeli whether ngumkhansila ngom-MP ukhethwa ngabantu. uDingilizwe Tshuma wakhethwa ngabantu. Abadala bathi inhlanzi ithola amandla emanzini. Ubukhokheli buthola amandla ebantwini. Mina ngikhethwe ngabantu. Ngithole amandla ebantwini. Lalelani Mthokazi omuhle, Bulawayo omuhle. As a region, let's be wary as a region. Ningabona njenge-region livumela ukuyimpozelwa ama-candidates lizaba ne-problem. Ungabuza uPrince kathesi uthi Prince wakhethwa ngubani? Uyawuthi kanikwazi. Why engakwazi? Ukuthi because he was imposed. Mina, let me tell you the fact. Mina means if devolution of power speaks to the ezenzakalo zesigaba, we have to empower our citizens, empower our own people. Kubuse abantu besigaba sona leso, mina ngiwesigaba leso. UPrince Dube umuntu wobuza esigabeni leso. Umbuzo wokuphinda esenguphendula ngokwadade wami uMathuma ngayo. uMathuma, as much as I know her, she is power hungry. Number two, ngisebenzela engusisi wami. She was a candidate likacouncillor waluza. Candidate likacouncillor kulo MP yakhe hamba lalo ngabadla bonke ukaGreen. Nabantu okulandelayo. Ngiyabona ubhalo lolu. Okulandelayo. Ingadi kasi udada khuluma ngayo.
Entumbane-Njube, asibende order.
Ingadi udade akhulume ngayo ekhoneni kasi. Bahlala, everyone is free to go and have a look. Enditshela khona lapho, go and review. Ingadi elamavuko veterans eKenwerome, go and review, have a look. And which one ekhoneni kasi, we injected monies as a CDF. Safaka i-guard room, safaka amachocho, safaka piping. Sadrilla twice, board, sachayi driveway, veterans. And Bukulumayo, so you can go and inspect for yourselves. Suffer, we modernized the curtain. As we speak, we solarized the curtain. As we speak, go and watch from here. Is a tola bucket. People, that place is solarized, is green and everything. As a mucho Lalelan. All right. Umbuzile forward. Wathi kuyini udade ubuzile wathi kuyini okuyintshukuntshu ofuna ukukwenza. Ngikhulume ngacaca crystal clear ngathi engifuna ukwenza sengenzile development. Ikhona abafuna amabhuku nanti lezi inspected education. Ikhuluma kathesi kule-stand useni elingakwaziyo ukuthi singaphi ese-library. ZANU-PF siwasenza i-car park ngo-2008, ngo-2008, 2013, wathatha i-stand ese-library sezakhamizi wasenza i-car park. So namhlanje ngingameza u-MP kungakaza ukuconverta to his own use. Izakhamizi kudala zithi i-stand zazo uyalalaza.
Siyabonga, sacela sibele order it. Right. Saqhubeka khathesi. Anilabona ukuthi ilanga lilokhe lihamba. Umuntu munye ngamunye ngizakunika one question. One. Isicelo sami ngithi. Right. Ngizaqala ngosisi emuva laphana. Ndandele ubhuti ole t-shirt eyellow. Yeah, sisole kepe white. Lo bhuti lapho le t-shirt eyellow. Ngithathe usisi lapha nogqoka ama-glasses. One kwenze ukuthi siphinde sibuze futhi angithi. Qhubeka.
Ngiyabonga ithuba endiphiweyo. Bengithanda ukubuza ukuba uDingilizwe Tshuma ukubana njengoba yena wakhethwa ngabantu engakhethwanga ngupresident. Upresident wakuzama nguphi?
could have got many things to address. It promised everything, but it failed everything. Free education remains a dream. War is not a solution to an urban area. In urban area, people need to pipe the water. Why do you use force against the citizens? Who are the owners of the nation? People were killed here in Matebele and Party. ZANU-PF never apologized. ZANU-PF must apologize about Kukura wounded face.
For the past 10 years, wasithembisa library the marketplace for yona. Namhlanje sewuya esima phambi kwethu ngoba sefuna amavoti kithi. Kuzayenza i-development uzayenza lokhu nalokhu. For the past 10 years wayebengakwazi konke lokhu.
Imbuzo i-Director uBaba uTshuma lo leader Chinamano angithi so sabanika ithuba. Saqala ngoleader aphendule imbuzo kabhuti laphana.
I'm very ashamed by ubhuti wami lo ukuthi le-age yakhe leyo ukhuluma nge-priority issue. Mina ngiwazi le-priority issue le-story ZANU-PF. And lapha sikhuluma ngama-local issues, not ama-national issues.
Ubaba uTshuma
uyabona nxa usubaleka lentambo imkuzika mnengi intambo sembaleka layo yikho imkuzisa isandla so into ekhona nansi udade ubuze a very simple question ukuthi kambe uthi yena lokho ebelieve ukuthi I am not CCC, mina I'm CCC. President Uchamisa, let me answer you. Let me educate. I would like to educate my sister. I would like to educate my sister. Politics is fluid. If you don't know politics, politics is fluid. If you put it in water, it takes the shape of water. If you put it in a bowl, it takes the shape of a bowl. Dingilizwe Tshuma ngichasisile ngabakhiye ngathi wangena ku nomination wangena ku vetting wangena kuma primary wawina. Dingilizwe Tshuma is a full member of CCC period. And Dingilizwe Tshuma is going to win period on the 2010. And then umbuzo uqina usisi ubuze umbuzo lapha. That is a cramped question. It's just a simple question I was about a library. I think I was crystal clear in a library. But when I assumed office, I made the necessary researches about distance library. Mind you, I'm a teacher by profession, a former headmaster. I have passion for education. It's in me. So when I assumed office, ngabuza izakhamizi ukuthi kanti intumbane ilolodwa ilokitsheli ngala library. Umathuma ngakufakaza khona lokho usisi wami. Sisebenza so. Ngasembuzile sadingisisa. Saze saphuma le satellite library esebenzayo kathese Entumbane in place of a library ekhona. Sister omunye uzasukumetha ikho njengosisi wami. Sentonjalo Sakubega, sasasithola ukuthi istendi se-library sikhona Entumbane. Kodwa kulomuntu osesithethe wasenza esakhe, ubaba uDube. Wenza ikhapaki. Esenze ikhapaki bantu benkosi. I-library is the chief cornerstone of education. I-library creates and promotes the culture of reading ebantwaneni. Ukuze sibe nama-graduates, sibe nenkokheli zakusasa, kumele sibe ne-library as a community. Yikho, as I speak, it's on record. Bayakwazi bengisebenza la. Kulabantu sasatshela ne-city council ukuthi no, don't say city council has no money. But we are saying the people of Entumbane, the community and other stakeholders, they have money to start the library issue. Ngakho ke kathesi ngingena on the 23rd njengoba ngizangena. On the 23rd sizakhubeka siyiphesuwa neqiniso elizi yomfowethu si-expire ekaDube. Njengoba isi-expire elizi yakho now make it a point that it is not renewed. But we siqale ukulungisa ukwakha i-library because the plan is already there. The construction plan even on the city council. So we'll construct that. And then usiswam lapana the issue yakoyona. I think he's having a maybe what can I call it? The conflict of ideas. Usuka wakubanisa imbono. Ngelokuze. Ngithemina oyona lapana draft. Nxa uyazimbali kayona. Umuntu waqala iyona ngumfowethu laphana uDube. Betshaya izimali kuyiklab abadala. Batshaya izimali uhonorable Cornelius Dube watshona. Uthe setshonile kwasala usenator uMamloyi enguye usupervisor. Wanikeza undoda lona imali yokuthi alungise isi-marketplace. It's on record. You can go and talk to those people. Balitshela ukuthi undoda lo wadla imali ye-CDF yabo.
Badala khathesi zathi mzisele futhi kuma-candidates ethu angithi sebekhala ngesikhathi laphana nje kanti kuyasibona isikhathi. Okwakhathesi zanikwa ubaba uPrince Dube, kukhona osokukhulunyiwe njalo okunye baba Dube zakunika ukuthi uphendule indaba lekhulunywe lapha emtsineni. And then 2 minutes after that zakunika 2 minutes ukuthi utshela abantu be-Entumbane-Njube ukuthi why kumele ukuthi mhla ka-23 bavotele wona. To be the same for amanye ama-candidates lani zakunika 2 minutes each ukuthi utshela abantu be-Entumbane-Njube ukuthi why they vote.
Sicela ukubana siqede nini umhlangano wethu ngokuzwanana nangokubambana ngenxa yokuthi we mean well. We mean well for Zimbabwe, we mean well for Bulawayo. I am tempted to respond to the issue ye library eloke raised by my fellow colleague here, Dingilizwe Tshuma. But before I respond to that, kunesitsho esithi as we are gathered here, when is a fool not a fool? Isiphukuphuku siba isiphukuphuku njani nini? Umuntu angavula umlomo wakhe aqalise ukukhuluma yikho bona khona ukuthi this person is a fool. You don't see my citizens. I am happy as citizens. I am happy the organization Habakuk Trust organized this meeting. They organized with SITE, they organized with WIPRA. Mhlaka 23, senizibonele my citizens. Senizibonele the character, the nature fool and who is not a fool. Some of the people, you have already seen from the way how they present themselves, from the way how they talk, you can simply see what this one is a fool. Now, Napa, Jangama citizens are all on. Jangama Zimbabwe. We have suffered. We have suffered. We have suffered because of electing fools, because of electing abantu who don't represent the interest of the electorate. Instead, they believe in busing. Instead, they believe in organizing people in order to come and shout. When we are here, we debate issues. When we are here, we debate principles. When we are here, we debate about tomorrow. We debate about the track record of what we have done yesterday. I am shocked, very much shocked about the behavior of my colleague. I did not expect this. I'm sorry I seem to be attacking him, but I am not supposed to be doing that. I am supposed to be actually propagating and saying what I intend to do. But nonetheless, I apologize. I'm sorry. But anyway, my citizens, the issue of Chinamano a library stand. The library stand has been there ever since he assumed office. I told him to take that library stand and develop it. What is stopping him from taking that stand? Can he answer that? What has actually stopped him to take the library stand for the past 10 years? Now he seeks the third time to take it in another 10. My friend, by whatever means that you think that is Angena Nazo, Angena, sitate kusasa and develop it. That stand is there. So stop coming here to politics. Stop coming here to lie. You are grown up, we are grown up. We mean well. So let's not come here to mislead citizens. I am a person of integrity. I am a person who has led the community of Entumbane. I am a person who is development oriented. I said to you, my colleague, I was very honest. I am here, let's be together, let's develop Entumbane. Surely, for you to come here and politic about that state, you are lying. Stop lying. Now, in summary, citizens, Java 23, go and make a choice. The choice of good leadership. The choice of leadership that don't manipulate you. The choice of leadership that don't cheat you. The choice of leadership that will stand with you. I'm one person who wants to be with you. I'm sure Entumbane, you enjoyed when I was a councillor. I want to focus on service delivery. I want to focus on dealing with corruption, my oversight law, drug and substance abuse, and make sure that we are going to enjoy a new Zimbabwe for everyone. Thank you.
Sidlele phambili sizwe umama Linda Chinamano
njengoba nani badala lani mayifelo young generation lani yakubona lokho. Let's vote for the fresh MP umntwana wethu lani yakubona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Asizanelini, let's vote for the fresh MP umntwana othumelayo MP yabo. Sabonga.
Right, Yabo. For continuity of progress and development, this is the right man to vote. In Temba, question Liana si Ansile, there is no bogus candidate, but into a corner, as a community, I re-emphasize singavumeli imposition of candidates njengabantu. Singavumela imposition of candidates njengabantu. Dizasela selingasela identity. Njengabantu, protect your area. Protect your area. Mina mangichiya ngo 2028 nizachiyela ngangichiya ngo 2028 nizachiyela inzalo yenjube kumbe inzalo yentumbane hathi umuntu wokuza evela kwezinye indawo esekhulile kodwa i-devolution of power ithini lowo ozalelwe kuyona leyo indawo laye kulezelo khona lapho ngoba ukhulele khona ngakho-ke we can only outsource a skilled person outside the boundaries of Entumbane-Njube nxa i-expertise esigabeni leso sesisiswele i-expertise yo-MP asiyiswelanga Entumbane-Njube i-expertise kakhansila asiyiswelanga Entumbane-Njube ukuthi sesingamelwa ngabanye abantu abavela kwezinye indawo bantu benkosi asigcineni ubulawayo ngobulawayo sentsho lokho vote for Dingilizwe aqede izinto zonke siyabonga khona pha
right ngicela ukubuza mina uLindi Chinamano ZANU-PF Linda okay thank you right Linda sizwile ukuthi uthe wena ungangena uba MP kuzawuba nomsebenzi yamayuza ngisho but for the past 43 years ZANU-PF ibusa angisho umsebenzi wakhona bemsehlulana ukuthi ube khona bengicela ukubuza Honorable Tshuma ukuthi ngizwile ukhuluma nge-development eyenze Entumbane but angizwanga ukhuluma ngama-vulnerable groups ogogo nabobaba labanye abaswelayo ukuthi ubancedisa njani ku-community for the past 10 years ngizwe ukhuluma nge-development but laba abantu bungakwazi ukuthi bakhona ezigabeni njalo eze-MP uyakwazi ukuthi izinto eziningi sezisele intandane wena njengo-MP osipelayo khona lephalamenti uyabuka ucabange yini ukuthi i-ownership iyadingakala ngoba khathesi xa ufuna ukutshintsha ibizo kuyahlupha ungaya kukhansili kufuna imali ungaya ekhoti kufunakala imali so ufumela njani i-MP what help have you been doing for the past 10 years thank you
right okukhona ukuthi kube clear lokho obaba bethu bathi behambe empini ngo-1976 kusiya lapho ilizwe leZimbabwe lithe likhululiwe ngo-1980 obaba bethu bayebelweli ukuthi umhlabathi lo uyebheki kithi kwabantu abamnyama sisezenze njalo 1999 ama-opposite parties zethu amela ngabadala bamndawo bahamba bayocela ama-sanctions kuma-western countries lapho esasithengisela khona into zethu ama-firms yavalwa industry yavalwa because of ama-sanctions ama-industries yavalwa okwakhathesi asitholeni imandate njenge-young generation
lingathabi kakhulu ngoba ngiyadla abantu abaningi phakathi kwesigaba lingathabi kakhulu ngoba ngiyadla abantu so lizadliwa mhlaka 27 hold your horses ukuzila ubaba laphana about vulnerable groups ama-child families etc people living with disabilities etc I've assisted and I've been working with people living with disabilities in different forms. Yule group eJairo Siri, ebibuthana phambi eBlack Mfolosi. Isenza izinto zamakhandlela. Ngincedisile naliyana ukwenza izinto zabo. Ama life skills abakwenzayo. Bakhona khona phana kweJairo Siri, abakuJairo Siri. And then ikhona group Themna siyabona inhliziyo and people living with disabilities siyancedisana labo futhi. Le makhandeni bakhona ama-groups living with disabilities. And then kulama-child-headed families. We have assisted a number of families, about child-headed families in different forms. There's a facility here, government, being so besicedisana nesikolo ukuthi abantwana laba bengabi left out bekusiba nama-situations ngiyakhumbula ezilukandaba kuye-master e-business mamlilo engibiza engitshengisa abantwana ababili wathi Tshuma ngicela ukhethe umntwana odizeva ukuba kubhimu phakathi kwalaba ababili ngamkhetha wathi ngakho kubhimu kodwa okubhimu lo so isixwayiso okwayekubhimu ngowayekhanye ethola so isixwayiso enginganika sona njengabazali yikuthi wobani kuma-committees ebhimu libe kuma-committees e-SDC zesikolo kodwa lingathathi ama-favors livalela abantwana abadizevayo phandle at the expense of the disability. Sengikhetha okokugcina yilokho imbuzi yakho sengiphethe yonke i-ownership all right so far Entumbane I think I've got only one case engiyitholileyo ownership you engilayo engiyitholileyo because the way you act to a situation you act it when there's been a trigger. We are working on it, it's work in progress. Kulilungelo lomuntu ukuthi wonke umuntu ohlala endaweni abe le ownership of property. That one is a fact, and now the cases anjalo eNjube, I'll be readily available to deal with them in a better way. And come 27 August next week on a Wednesday, on the 28th, I'll be your MP. Thank you.
Siyabonga ngisho Mthemba sesizwile oMP bethu sibabonile bakhulumile angitsho osekusele mhla ka-23 August asiphumeni ngobuningi sevota angitsho badala asiphumeni ngobuningi sevota sizwile oMP bakhulumile ama-manifesto abo sibonile osasimela njengeNjube Entumbane asimvoteleni ngobuningi because engikucela yokugcina badala bami this peace loving community angitsho asithandana neni 23 August uzabuya aphinda adlula angitsho kodwa sizabe lokhu siza kumakhelwane asithandana neni angitsho siyabonga kakhulu sibelekanga elihle uNkulunkulu asenzele kahle